All right, so the next scenario is shooting in low light. Let's say the sun started to set and you're starting to run out of light, or you're shooting in your house and you only have as many lights as there are available. So there's a couple things you can do. The first is opening up the f-stop. Now, if you're not comfortable with it being too shallow of a depth of field, try setting it at 2.8 first. From there, you go to your shutter speed, and slowing down is really the most important thing to do, but if you go below 1/60th, know that you're going to start to get some blur in your image. So maybe start at 1/60th, and then you choose your ISO. How sensitive can your camera go before you start to get too much grain? And this is really all about testing, because you won't know until you put it on your computer and you see what it actually looks like. Now, that's not to say that you shouldn't go to a higher ISO, or you shouldn't go to a 1/8 shutter speed or something slower than 1/60th. It's just that you need to practice. You need to see what it looks like and decide as a photographer, do you like that look? Do you like it when it has that grain? Do you like it with that shallow depth of field? Or do you like a little bit of blur? Maybe your father's really animated and moving his arms about, and you take a photo and he's still crisp, but his arms are blurry, and that might be something you're looking to do. And as you become more experienced, you'll be able to know, oh, I remember taking that one photo when it was in that low lighting situation, and now I'm in a similar situation and I want to replicate that same look. And you'll know the settings to go and achieve that look. So remember that when it comes to low light photography, the 3 things you need to do are bring up your ISO, make your sensor more sensitive, bring your shutter speed to a slower rate, so it's closer to 1/60th or even less than that, and open up your aperture. Go to a lower number, the lowest possible most likely, so that you have as much light coming in as possible. Go out there, practice in the low lighting, and it's all about your creativity ultimately. Experimentation